What is up, everyone? So, FM Sounds Volume 1 just came out, and I've been messing around with just the presets, barely any processing. I'll show you what I did to these sounds, but listen to this drop. All the presets that you hear in the drop are part of the pack. Oh no, not another! No. As you see, they were just the presets from the pack and no processing after it, just in the group. I have a limiter, and on the master, just saturator, limiter, little EQ. That's just a spectrum analyzer, and then I just have the drop automation thing, which some of the Ableton projects you get inside the actual full pack will have those chains on the master, so you could extract these if you would like. But that's just the presets from the pack. If you guys want to check out this pack, keep in mind you get 50 wavetables and 50 presets, as well as some Ableton idea starters for you to finish, extract whatever you want, flip, whatever they are for you to use. Click that link in the description, in the comments, or if this is on Facebook, it should have a nice little handy dandy button to shop now.